Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 5008. It's a 7-seater vehicle that represents fantastic value for money. It's a one-owner car that was sold by us and also has a full service history with ourselves. It's got the 1.6E HDI engine with an automatic gearbox. Some of the features of this car include 16-inch alloy wheels, sat-nav, Bluetooth, air conditioning. This car's got 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.